Hello, I'm Carmen Brown Marshall. I'm an ambassador, an advocate, and an author. And today I'm here in the Author's Corner talking about my book, Looking Well Beyond Breast Cancer. I'm a 21-year breast cancer survivor, and today, the Black history fact that I want you to know is Dr. Jane Cook Wright. Dr. Jane Cook Wright. Google her. You will find that this is the mother of chemotherapy. She is the one who helped founded oncology. This is a woman who was an artist. Can you imagine? She was an artist. And her father, who was also a physician in Harlem Hospital, during the Harlem Renaissance, when we were celebrating everything Black, he convinced her to switch from art to medicine, and she did. Her father was among the first African Americans to graduate from Harvard, but she graduated and went to a predominantly white medical school, which they usually are. She became the president of the class. She was that brilliant. When she got out of medical school, she returned to Harlem and began her research in her father's lab. It was a cancer research lab. Now, normally when they do research, they research on animals, on mice. But it was Dr. Jane Cook Wright who decided we need to get some tissue, some real tissue, something from people. Maybe when you have surgery and they remove that tissue, I don't know, I wasn't there. But this woman was in her medical profession for 40 years. And in 40 years, she wrote 75 scientific papers. 75. There's some people struggling to get 1 or 2. They might even feel fortunate if they get 10 or 12. But 75? She was amazing. And I and every cancer survivor, whether they are alive or unalive, we are thankful for her contributions to medicine, because without her mixing those different drugs together, I believe she was probably one of the first to do clinical trials. The difference between her clinical trials and some of the pharmaceutical companies is that people got well. She worked the science to help people. Today we salute Dr. Jane Cook Wright, medical doctor, scientist, researcher, New Yorker. Sadly, she passed away. I believe it was in 2013. Don't quote me on the dates, but I'm so thankful that we have brilliant Black scientists, medical doctors. When some are trying to get rid of DE&I, Dr. Jane Cook Wright is proof that brilliant minds exist in all colors, and we need to celebrate them. I'm Carmen Brown Marshall. I'm an advocate, an ambassador, and an author. Enjoy Black History Month. What will you learn?